Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be doing another Supreme unboxing video. If you've seen my last video, you already know I got a Swarovski Zippo, which is a Supreme and Swarovski collaboration lighter, which just arrived today. I also got a Supreme hat on that last video, but as that arrives on a different day, I'm just going to unbox this one for today. So I'm just going to go ahead, cut this open. I think it's a really small package for such a big parcel. Okay, 2 normal Supreme stickers. I have not been having very good luck when it comes to Supreme stickers. And okay, that's very interesting packaging. Here we go. Ooh, that's really nice. It's so small, but let me take it out. Look at that, let's get to focus. That's so nice, like, and I can feel the little, like, grooves that they've put in. Yeah, that's really, really nice. As far as I know right now, I think I'm going to sell this item, probably on my Grailed or maybe on StockX, but StockX, starting to get a little bit angry with it because of all the fees. Yeah. I mean, if it was a cheaper retail, I might consider keeping this, but for a lighter, I mean, you know, that's a lot of money for a lighter. Also, last week, week 18 of Supreme, was actually the final week of the Fall/Winter 20 season, so I'll probably have a break from, like, live cops and unboxings for a while, since, I mean, there's nothing to live cop or unbox, but once Supreme starts back up again, obviously I'll start making videos, and more videos with Swift Soul as well. Also, down the line, I'm planning on making a reselling guide that covers, like, Supreme, sneakers, all that kind of stuff, how to get it, how to sell it, platforms like StockX, Goat, Grailed, all those kind of things. Maybe in a series of 10 videos. But that'll be down the line, obviously, once I can show how to do those things with Supreme and once the Supreme season is back on. Anyways, that's pretty much it for this video. Please leave a like and comment if you'd like more live cops and unboxings. I think for the most part these unboxing videos especially are going to be very short, just because if there's only one item there's not too much to show. But I think it's still worth making them because, like, a product like this, I mean, that's really cool. But yeah, that's it for this video. I will see you very, very soon. Goodbye.